Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video discusses how having a smaller investment portfolio can be advantageous for generating better returns compared to Warren Buffett's large portfolio. It emphasizes that as an individual investor with limited capital, you can benefit from opportunities that Buffett cannot tap into due to the sheer size of his investments. Here's a summary of the main points and advice provided in the video. 1. Buffett's background. The video starts by highlighting Warren Buffett's own journey, explaining that he didn't begin with billions of dollars, but rather started small, which allowed him to achieve his remarkable returns. 2. Investing advantage for smaller portfolios. Smaller investment threshold. If you have a smaller portfolio, you can invest in smaller companies and opportunities that might not be significant for Buffett due to the size of his investments. Less competition. Smaller companies are often less closely followed by institutional investors, providing opportunities for individual investors to identify undervalued stocks. 3. Practical advice for small investors. Look where others aren't. You are based on investment opportunities that are too small to attract the attention of large institutional investors. Consider looking at stocks in less popular markets or countries. You okay to assign smaller companies? Smaller companies have more growth potential and are more likely to become 10-bagger stocks that increase tenfold. They can provide substantial returns for small investors. You explore inefficient markets. I invest in assets or markets that are inefficient where prices don't accurately reflect their true value. An example given in the video is investing in distressed real estate and renovating it for profit. The video aims to provide actionable advice for small investors to make the most of their size advantage and potentially achieve attractive returns. It emphasizes that smaller portfolios can find opportunities that may not significantly impact large portfolios like Buffett's, ultimately offering an investment edge. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.